So I kind of shared the photo collage challenge that you'll be doing for the elements of art. I did post a sample on the page prior to this, but I wanted to show you a really cool website that I found that is a free collage maker so that you can use it to finish up your collage. Now, you could also do the same thing in a Google slide if you choose to do that, and I will also share a video on how to do that, but I wanted to also share this website because it's pretty fun. So you'll click on Get Started, and then you're going to go down to your layout. And we're assuming that you've already taken all of your elements of art images. So they're going to be in the Google Drive. And you can go to the grid option. And then I start with these 9. We only have 7 elements of art. So you can delete 2 of the cells. However you want. You can change the orientation, whatever. I'm just going to show you that you can delete cells and add things. So I'm going to go to add image. And then, for example, I put some of my images in my downloads folder, but there's also some on my desktop. So wherever my images are, I'm going to go ahead and add them. And for now, I'm just going to add a random image so you guys can see how to do that. Okay. And then I went ahead and added some other ones earlier before I started the video. So I'm going to quickly add some of them. Now you'll fill up all the spaces, obviously. I am just going to, these are some of the images that I've taken. And then once I'm finished with that, I'm going to actually add text. And I'm going to click on add text. And obviously you can pick whatever font you want. I'm going to choose something a little bolder so that it stands out, but I'm also going to, oops, sorry, I didn't mean to do that. When I click on my text box, I'm going to move it into, why is it not letting me? Might have to play around with it, but I'm going to put space, and I'm going to move the text into the box that has labeled space. Let me move this, and you can rotate your text. And I'm going to make it that way. And then I'm just going to make sure all of my boxes are labeled whichever element it is. So obviously, you know, you'll just go through the tabs if you can't remember them. You'll need color, value. So here's my color, and then I'll make sure that that's labeled. So all of them will be labeled. And then I'll hit save. And I'll save it to my Google Drive, and I'm going to save it as Elements of Art Photo Collage. And hit save. And it does take a minute to get into your Google Drive. And then I am going to select a folder to put it in. And it just takes a minute to copy into Google. Okay. And then once it is in there, you're going to go ahead and upload your photo collage here by going Insert, Image, Drive, and then you can upload your elements there.